Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Kickball. Look for a game listed under Kickball or search for popular kickball experiences to join a server quickly. Once you are in, understand that your primary movement keys are W, A, S, D, allowing you to navigate the field with ease. The spacebar is often used for jumping over small obstacles or for a slight height boost, which can sometimes impact your kick. Prepare to quickly learn the rhythm of the game. After your successful kick, it is crucial to immediately run toward first base, then second, and so on, touching each base in sequence. Defenders will try to get you out by catching the ball before it hits the ground or by tagging you with the ball while you are off a base. Always try to stay on a base if the ball is live and a defender has control, giving you a safe spot on the field. Your goal is to reach home plate before getting 3 outs for your team. As a defender, your main objective is to prevent the opposing team from scoring runs by getting 3 outs. If the ball is kicked into the air, try to catch it before it touches the ground. This is a fly out. For ground balls, pick it up quickly and either tag a runner directly or throw it to a base where a runner is headed, for example, to first base before they reach it. Effective teamwork and communication are key to securing those precious outs. To truly excel, learn to anticipate where defenders will be, then aim your kicks to exploit open areas on the field, perhaps hitting it 40 to 50 studs out. On defense, call out where the ball is going and who is covering which base. This greatly improves your team's efficiency. Remember that the primary goal is to have fun and enjoy the unique experience Roblox Kickball offers. Always play fair, respect other players, and celebrate your team's successes together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.